Do you know what are the best and worst oils for cooking? Well, the answer might surprise you. It's not just about the taste, but also about the health benefits and potential downsides. So buckle up as we dive deep into the world of cooking oils. First up on our list is olive oil. Known for its health benefits and versatility, olive oil is considered one of the finest. Whether you're sautéing vegetables or making a salad dressing, it's a go-to choice. But remember, it's not the best for high-heat cooking due to its low smoke point. Next, we have palm oil. With equal parts of saturated and unsaturated fat, it's a bit of a mixed bag. It can withstand high temperatures, so it's good for frying. However, be mindful of its environmental impact, as palm oil production is often linked to deforestation. Now let's talk about lard. Made from rendered pig fat, it has high levels of fat and saturated fat. While it could add a unique flavor to your dishes, its high saturated fat content suggests it's best used sparingly. Moving on, we have sunflower oil. High in vitamin E, it's a great choice for a healthy diet. Its mild flavor and high smoke point make it suitable for a variety of cooking methods. Then there's walnut oil. It's a bit of an outlier because it's not suitable for cooking due to its low smoke point. But don't dismiss it just yet. It can add a nutty flavor to your salads and desserts when used as a finishing oil. Next in line is canola oil. With the fewest saturated fats and a high smoke point, it's an excellent choice for high-heat cooking. It's also a heart-friendly option, so feel free to use it generously. Last but not least, we have coconut oil. While it's primarily a saturated fat and should be consumed in moderation, it does have its merits. It can impart a distinct flavor to your dishes, making it a favorite in tropical cooking. So, there you have it. From olive to coconut oil, each one has its pros and cons. It's not about finding the perfect oil, but rather understanding how different oils can contribute to your cooking and overall health. Remember, olive oil is great for its health benefits and versatility, but not ideal for high-heat cooking. Palm oil can handle high temperatures, but it comes with environmental concerns. Lard is flavorful, but high in saturated fats. Sunflower oil is a versatile and healthy choice, while walnut oil is best used as a finishing touch. Canola oil is ideal for high-heat cooking and is heart-friendly. And finally, coconut oil, while high in saturated fat, can bring a unique flavor to your dishes. Choose wisely and happy cooking. Happy.